Algebra 1, number 4.2b, we're going to talk about how to find an angle measure with an inequality. In geometry, we use inequalities to help us find an unknown angle measure. When you see a M, it stands for measure. When you see this symbol right here in the red, this means angle. Now, it's not a less than sign because this part right here at the bottom is actually laying on the ground. See, it lays down like this at the base. So this means the measure of angle 1, okay? That's the notation that would be used in geometry, the measure of angle 1, all right? So if we've got this drawing, and it's not quite 90 degrees, and we've got angle 1 inside here and angle 2 there, and we're told that the measure of angle 1 is going to be represented by x, okay? So that's x, and the measure of angle 2 is going to be 4x plus 6, and we need to find out what x is, but it has to be less than 90 degrees. So the sum of angle 1 and angle 2 is going to be less than 90 degrees. And we're told to come up with 3 possible measures for angle 1 and angle 2. All right? So because the measure of angle 1 is an x, and x is a dependent variable on the value of whatever 2 is, we're going to solve 2 for 2 first to get x, okay? So we write our inequality for the measure of angle 2 first. It's 4x plus 6 is less than 90 degrees. See? That's what we were told. 4x plus 6 is less than 90 degrees. So we use the addition property of inequalities to create a zero pair right here to eliminate this plus 6, and we get 4x is less than 84 degrees. We divide both sides by 4, do a little line division, and we see that x is less than 21. Now x is any value less than 21. So we substitute a value less than 21. It can't be 21 to get the measure of angle 2, okay? So remember, the combined sum must be less than 90 degrees. So 20 is less than 21. So we can use 20 for the measure of angle 1. And then we can use 68 for the measure of angle 2. That would equal 88. That's less than 90, so that would work. That could be one of them. We could use 19 for measure of angle 1 and 68 for the measure of angle 2 to get 87. That's less than 90. We could use 15 for the measure of angle 1 and 71 for the measure of angle 2. That's 86. That's less than 90. We could even use 1 for the measure of angle 1 and 2 for the measure of angle 2 to get a total of 3, because that's less than 90. Any values that have a total that are less than 90 would fit, because that's what it said. It's less than 90. Okay? So next semester, if you're doing this by semesters, or next year, if you're taking Algebra 1, you're going to take geometry next year before you take Algebra 2. You're going to come across these, okay? And this gives you a little heads up, gives you a little advanced teaching so that you're a little more prepared when you come across it. It won't be so alien to you, okay? I'll see you in the next video. We're going to talk about the multiplication property of inequalities, okay? Bye.